Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is the Ryze Coffee brand. Are you tired of the same old coffee routine? Well, get ready to elevate your mornings with a cup of coffee that not only tastes incredible, but also fuels your day with natural energy and focus. Introducing Ryze Coffee, your new way to start the day. Each cup is crafted from a unique blend of organic mushrooms and MCT oil, delivering a rich, smooth flavor that's packed with health benefits. Ryze Coffee Mushroom Blend includes lion's mane for mental clarity. Combined with MCT oil, Ryze Coffee provides a sustained energy boost without the jitters or crashes, so you can stay sharp and focused all day long. Ryze Coffee isn't just a delicious drink, it's a daily wellness ritual that supports your immune system, improves cognitive function, and promotes overall well-being. Whether you're at home or on the go, Ryze Coffee is quick and easy to prepare. Just mix with hot water, stir, and enjoy. No need for fancy equipment or complicated brewing. Join the Ryze Movement and learn to love your mornings again. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.